How's it going? It's Mr. Peace here. I just got done speaking at Haviland Elementary School here in Waterford Township, Michigan. And this is the home of the Eagles here, where we talked a lot about diversity, kindness, and leadership, and being this person that really picks people up, right? Just like the eagles fly in the air. We talk about building each other up and using our power for good instead of bringing people down. But a big part of the message was to deal with some of the pain in our hearts, to become healed people who heal people. And once we're all in for this planet and this earth, then we can give back and start helping other people. So a girl came up to me and she said, Mr. Peace, you know, you made a lot of people cry today, but the tears were happy tears. And they were tears of joy and the start of getting past some of that hurt and being all in to help other people, to show them kindness, show them love, and make sure that they know that they're all miracles. So keep following your hearts. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again. Peace.